My next vacation mini brochure. Hi, my name is Emerson, and today I'm describing my next vacation. I, I made a small brochure with the places I am visiting and the activity I am doing. Cartagena Free Stock brochure. Old City, color street, traditional food, island and beach. Description: I am traveling to Cartagena. I am walking through the colorful street of the old city. I am trying traditional food. I am taking a boat tour to this island. I am enjoying the breeze and the sun. Santa Marta second stock brochure hosted near the sea. Swimming and relaxing. El Rodadero, local seafood. Description: I am going to Santa Marta. I am staying in an hostel near the sea. I am swimming and relaxing on the beach. I am visiting El Rodadero and trying local seafood. Tayrona National Park final stock brochure, foreign strike, hidden beaches, nature, and last escape. Description: I am visiting Tayrona National Park. I am hiking through the forest. I am exploring beautiful beaches. I am taking pictures of the amazing landscape. I enjoy the fresh air and the peace of nature. Closing, these are my plans for my next vacation. I am very excited and I am enjoying new experiences. Thank you for watching. My name is Emerson.